Now is available at the McCarthy Cars BMW 520 diesel 5 series 62 plate 2012 metallic black. Car has front daylights, it's got front headlight washer, front parking sensors, it's got front fog lights, 18-inch alloy wheels. Car has privacy rear glass, rear parking sensors, split folding rear seats, full cream leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, four electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, electric seats, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation, got telephone, Bluetooth connection, multimedia, aux connection, push button to start, auto start stop function, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, 6-speed manual gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.